And who are you?
Well, my name's Sorbet, my lord.
You've been in charge?
That's right, my lord. We brought you back using the Dragon Balls and our new regeneration technology.
And who is Tagama?
That would be me, Lord Frieza.
Tagama's been an outstanding warrior under my command, sir. Sorry, your lordship. Between hunting down the Dragon Balls and creating the regeneration technology...
It was a hell worse than anything I could have ever imagined.
You must be relieved, then. We're so glad...
And my father?
Our plan was to bring you back first, Lord Frieza, and then resurrect King Cold.
It feels as though my body has become rusty around the edges. Perhaps I need to wait a tad longer before exacting...
Please, if I may, sir. Things have changed, and a number of worlds are unstable.
Forget about the Saiyans and focus on the rest of the universe?
You compare this insignificant nothing to Zarbon and Dodoria. Was that a joke? Is why we're cowering from a handful of Saiyan garbage. So you can spend the rest of your days crawling on the floor like a worm.
Faced all sorts of foes and...
So what are you telling me? Are you saying he's even more formidable than the last?
He even beat Majin Buu, the last battle we witnessed.
Hold on, Majin Buu? Then he's become even mightier than I had dared to dream. Well, this could be most salubrious for me.
Oh, I see.
I've never trained a day in my life. There was never a need. I can easily shatter through the power ceiling of that monkey race.
You must keep it within your body to maximize your power and keep your opponent in the dark.
What's going on? Sounds like a damn screaming contest.
Hi, Lord Beerus. What's up?
Now that I think about it, what are you two punch jockeys doing on my world anyway?
We asked Whis to train us.
Then let me guess, all it took to get on his good side was something high in calories.
I honestly don't remember.
And I'm training because I don't want this clown to leave me in the dark.
Never ceases to amaze me how terribly you two get along.
So, what was the treat and where's my shit?
That's right, your lordness. Whis has some serious butterfingers, doesn't he?
You said you dropped it during your journey back this time. I'm only going to ask you this once more, Whis. You've gone repeatedly.
Yes, that's right, my lord. Comes beneath your standards, and I wanted to spare you any unpleasant dining.
Taste testing?
Uh-huh.
Greetings, Earthling human pups.
Yeah, that's right. You got a problem with that, mister?
To think she's become a broodmare now, I guess times really have changed.
Hey, where'd you buy that mask? I think it's pretty funny.
A mask? What are you talking about?
In school? What grade are you?
Would you get off me? I'm not in school. I'm an adult. Not my ear, it's a radio communicator. The latest model. I am the shield, protecting millions of stars.
Sorry, dude. That was lame. Trunks said a taco was here to see me, which sounded odd, but I've learned to be ready for anything. I guess technically there were two guys who beat Frieza.
Wait, you're telling me that a child defeated the evil emperor? You tell me that like it's no big deal. Galactic law states altering time is a high felony offense.
You see, Trunks and his little buddy Goten over there both have Saiyan fathers.
Hold on, Saiyans?
We say husband, but sure.
My mind's officially blown. Actually, they're all right, Bulma. I don't mind in the least. Have a great time up there, okay, boys?
Boo! Oh, great.
Think your mom's trying to say something.
That was decades ago. Who's gonna remember?
You goofball.
You need to take me to him immediately. I have grave news for him.
Sorry, Jocko, but that's not happening today. Well, you're free to think that if you want, I guess.
I don't have time to debate cosmic theology with you.
This has to be some kind of joke, right? All right.
Wrong. And if you've never faced his face, I did a quick sketch. He strengthened his force dramatically, and we have reason to believe they're now as lethal as...
Oh, Whis!
Huh?
Hello?
If you want it, you better get down here before the sun melts it! Week or 10 days or what?
I'd say about an hour. What's up? I can't talk long. My captain thinks I'm a chatterbox.
An hour? What kind of warning is that?
Okay, understood. There's no way I'll be killed twice by the same guy. Life's not that cruel. Somebody's got to keep Marin safe and get her away if it comes to that. She's not sure it'll work, so we just have to hope. Old school. When I get back, we're eating steak.
Krillin!
Tien!
Right behind you!
Hey, you guys! I know that you got a little girl to think about now.
Same as you, but we can't sit this one out.
We'll be landing on Earth shortly, my lord.
Let me get this straight.
Once you get your revenge, what's to stop someone from using the Dragon Balls to bring the Saiyan back all over again?
Nothing annoys me more than uninvited guests.
I told Chaozu this fight was too dangerous for him.
Well, at least we have Boo. Wait a second, do we have Boo?
Yeah, about...
At least I had time to get some Sinju beans from Korin. Hopefully these are enough.
Come on, Jocko. What are you waiting for? We clearly need all the help we can get in this fight.
Okay, fine. I'll take on some of Frieza's men. Preferably the weaker ones.
That's Frieza in the chair, huh? I can tell he's bad. He's practically oozing wickedness out of his face.
Look, the little bald one. I have a distinct memory of killing you on Namek. That was a great deal of fun. No need to feel left out, because if Goku doesn't join the festivities, I plan to execute all of you.
You should be able to handle this gas bag easily.
Well, I could handle most of his men, I guess. He's like a different fighter. He's too strong for me now.
Sorry, Mr. Frieza.
I can wait longer. Why not?
10 seconds?
Oh, come on, stingy bastard!
And 8, 9, 10.
Okay, let's do this. 6 against 1,000. That's,
You're pretty confident for a guy who doesn't remember where his fighting clothes are.
Yeah.
While I've been gone, you let the Force deteriorate into a sideshow of weaklings unworthy of bearing my name. Oh. It's so touching to see children grow, and he's clearly developed a soft heart like his daddy. He's so forgiving and pure of heart, it makes me want to vomit.
Our soldiers aren't fighting with their heads.
Or at least the most boring. Why would we funnel them together so they can help each other out?
Krillin, look out!
What's wrong with me? I can't stop shaking. I'm all locked up.
oh no. Krillin, run!
Time repeats its cycle, only the details change. Once again, the pitiful bald one will fall.
You collapse on the ground like a child? Are you really too tired to stand?
Don't worry.
You could have simply stayed home and brawled in some back alley or schoolyard or wherever it is you enjoy trading punches.
I don't think so, Beerus. We're not close to being ready for that yet. Speaking of dropping them someplace, Whis, why haven't you taken them to Hey, Lord Beerus, what kind of place are you talking about?
Hopping to it.
What's my problem? I'm paralyzed. If I can't get a hold of myself, I'm done.
Let's get to it! Just go! Krillin,
This is no time to play with your food. Shell, Majin Buu, Lord Beerus, not to mention Goku and Vegeta.
Shut up, old man!
Do you really think so?
That was a fluke. I'll destroy you! Was he trying to scare us?
an even greater humiliation to my name than I thought they were.
It's about time. I was getting tired of watching this.
Leave no one standing! That's an order! He's gonna send you all to the next world before you even have time to pray.
Suit yourself. You really think you can stop me with your little amateur fireworks show?
My daughter was born this year. And I want my little girl to have a happy life on a peaceful planet. So you won't leave peacefully?
Tell him, you traitor! Go on, no!
And you took our best warrior, too! Who do you think you are talking to me like that? I am your superior!
Go on, here's the sensu bean. Eat it.
Not only have I climbed yet another level, you're providing me with vital practice for Goku. I've never had a training partner. It's delightful. But that's enough for today.
After countless regenerations, I understood. And I will prove how worthy I am. If I kill them all myself, will you make me your commander? Your right-hand man?
Unbelievable! It says he's even stronger than the old Ginyu